Hello, hi, how are you? I'm Robin, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. This little world right here is Man for Himself. If you like men's hair product reviews, grooming, skincare, fragrance, and videos much like this one, then go on, you're gonna love it. Hit subscribe right now. Okay, SachaJuan, I always wonder, am I saying this right? If anyone is Swedish here, hi, how are you? Am I saying that right? SachaJuan, it's a brand from Stockholm, Sweden. And I got to know them through Ocean Mist, which is a sea salt spray. It's a sea salt spray that I love. It's a 5-star Holy Grail sea salt spray. So when I saw that they had other products, I thought, is it going to be as good? Could it be better? Or am I going to be disappointed, Matt Wax? Am I disappointed? Well, there are some other products by SachaJuan on the Man for Himself website. We've got some of the shampoos at Ocean Mist and also some sun care. And they've all been pretty good. But this one I was excited to try because it's a styling product, Matt Wax. It says it has a flexible hold, a matte finish, wax. I mean, I don't normally like waxes, but that looks quite spongy and putty-like. Now, taking a look at the sort of aesthetics, I think SachaJuan is a really clean brand in the way that it looks. It feels very much like one of those Scandinavian brands. It's just, I mean, they do things well, don't they? From their style and fashion to their models and their product branding. But sniffing this, it's kind of floral. It smells kind of like a bit powdery, not kind of what I'd really want in my hair, but it smells like a hair product. Then when you look into the ingredients, it is water-based, which is what I want. There's not really many sort of waxy sort of components in this. I mean, there's petrolatum in there, but it's further down, but it is very much a water-based product. Now, when you are looking at it, it says it's matte, but that product definitely has a shine, doesn't it? Now, when you scoop it out, it is so light and it is so creamy. It's so easy to get out. You can see there. Then, very easy to emulsify, which basically means you're just warming the product up. You're getting that product set to go through your hair. It's quite hard to emulsify. When I've been using this in my hair, I have been finding that you've really got to rub at it, really get it emulsified, otherwise you're gonna get white bits in your hair. So get that done. Then it's actually quite a dry texture after that. I mean, there's the tiny bit of oiliness, but from looking at this, you'd think it would be really very oily. So surprisingly good, I would think. For the application, it is good. It goes straight through the hair. There's not much stickiness, there's not much tackiness. It's a smooth product. And styling is responsive. I quite often say in these reviews, if you've not seen my reviews, then I'll put my reviews, hair product reviews up there. There is also loads on manforhimself.com across clays, pastes, putties, sea salt sprays, fragrance, skincare. They will all be there. But I often talk about this responsive. I want a hair product that is going to do what it's told. I want a hair product that's going to give me volume if I want it. I want a hair product that's going to smooth if I want my hair smooth. And this is responsive. You can easily build volume to pick the hair up and place it where you want it. You can smooth it down. You can move it across. Where else would you want it? And with my hair being longer at the moment, I'm finding that with a lot of these sort of creamier, lighter products, it's working well for me. When you look into finish, one thing you will notice is that that shine has gone. The shine that you once had there is gone. It is a matte finish. It's a matte finish that texture can be built in. If you're going to style with slightly wetter hair with this product, it's going to dry with more texture. It's going to look slightly more, and I said this in a few product reviews recently, it's going to look slightly crispier. If your hair is dry, so you've used a pre-styler, and then you've dried it with a hairdryer, and then this is going to give you more control and more definition. The finish on this is good. Like, I like that matte finish. The hold is fine. It's a flexible hold, so it means you can manipulate the hair throughout the day. And it's going to remain matte, it's not going to go hard. What I do like about this, and what I think is a key selling point of this, is if you do have that more medium length hair and you want the hair to have a bit of a tousled look, so really something which looks like it's been done but not overdone, this could be good. Who I don't think this is going to work for is anyone that wants that sort of huge quiff or a pompadour. The hair will drop ever so slightly because the hold isn't massive. But for lived in, more texturized hairstyles, this could be good. Now, the price point on this is about 23. I'm trying to remember off my head. It is on manforhimself.com. Whenever something goes on sale, we hit a bit of a sale button. A bit of a sale button, it's a sale button. And you can see this is £23 or $29, I'm pretty sure. So it's not a cheap product, and it's 75 mils. Am I excited by this product? No, I'm not excited. When I've been using it, I've kind of been like, oh, this is fine. But I'm not like, oh God, I want to do my hair. Yeah, I mean, some products I do get quite excited about because they do really kind of do something different. But this is a product that I trust. It's a brand I trust. And I think if you know SachaJuan, which I do, then you will like this product. Would I buy this product again? Probably not, because I don't find it that different from a lot of other products out there. But if it's a product that you want to try, then definitely give it a go. So my sort of star rating for this is kind of like, it's a 3-star. It's like, it's good, but it's not great. It's, you know, it's a clean ingredient product. It's a product that's responsive and a product to give a bit of texture. So you're fine, but you're not great. So there you go. I mean, a bit of a nothing review. I hate that when you're a bit like on the fence and you're kind of giving nothing. But if you want more reviews, then do check this out. They will be linked in the cards and also down there. Some of my favorite products, if you want like a best one, then I've got my Holy Grail products. Also my Holy Grail video, part 1 is up, so you can check that out. And also, if you're still new to this, you've still not pressed subscribe, then make sure you press subscribe. Go for it. The button is there. So also more video suggestions down there. A link to the products page is there. I'm really disappointed that I'm a bit like, it feels a bit nothing. Also, all those cards with the videos and a link to my Instagram, Man For Himself, up there. But thank you very much for watching. Till my next new video. Bye-bye.